Well, I was reporting how many people had to ditch their cars, go on foot, evacuate the fire zone. Look at how many people had to do that. I have never seen anything quite like this. We are talking about hundreds of cars on Sunset Boulevard, and it does appear to get the correct machinery into this fire zone. You can see that many of the cars now have dents on them. And I just confirmed with LA County Fire that their bulldozer, LA County Fire's bulldozer, did in fact have to move these cars, push them off to the side in order to make a path. Well, I was reporting